Okay, now this is it. This is that dip that you get alongside fresh, hot, crusty bread when you get to a lot of Italian restaurants. Not all of them have it, but a lot of them will give you this like really delicious olive oil dip that is so addictive and so delicious. And I'm going to show you how to make it. And trust me when I tell you, it is the best bread dip or oil dip for your bread you're ever going to have. And it's going to start off with some parsley. Now I'm going to show you, see how much parsley I started with, because I need 1 tablespoon of very finely chopped parsley. When I first made this a few years ago, a friend of mine started making it, and she said what she didn't realize was how much you actually need of each thing for the flavor to really come through. So 1 tablespoon of very finely chopped parsley, 1 clove or 2. It really depends on how strong you like it, because remember, when you're grating garlic, it's really strong, so I do 1 clove. And then you're going to add a half cup of olive oil, not extra virgin, just regular olive oil. And to that you'll add your grated garlic, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of the finely chopped parsley. And then you're going to go ahead and add hot pepper flakes. That to me is really to taste. Like, do you want it really spicy? You could do like a teaspoon. You want it mild? I would do closer to a half a teaspoon. It's really up to you. And then you're going to go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese. I like freshly grated 2 tablespoons. You could do 3, but I think 2 is perfect for the texture that I like. And then you're going to add a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of pepper, and you're going to go ahead and give this a stir. Once you give it a stir, you are going to add about a teaspoon of really good, like thick, delicious balsamic vinegar. It makes all the difference. You could add more, but I think 1 teaspoon is perfect for this. And when it all sits together at room temperature for like 10 minutes, it just develops the most savory, cheesy, garlicky bread dip you've ever had in your life. Everyone loves it. I make this constantly, especially when I have people over and I make fresh bread. It's a must-have. I know you will love it. Please make it. The recipe is in the description. Especially with spring and summer around the corner, and I entertain a lot, this is just like a must-have. You will love it, I promise. Just give it a go, and I know you'll be just as addicted to it as I am.